So good morning everybody. So we are sat at the table doing our homeschooling.
It's kind of boring.
So good morning Grace. Not happy. We've got the kids down there doing the train tracks. And then we have by Kiwi, Mango and Tilly up there. Oh, there's my camera there. So, yes. Morning fun with the birds. So you step up. You come in. Come in. Oh, the big boy. You're a big boy. Oh, I love you. I love you. Oh, you're a good boy. You're a good boy. What's it? So yeah. So we're homeschooling. Aren't we?
Hi, Tilly.
Tilly.
Tilly has a face of a hawk.
Tilly, beautiful birdie, huh? So Tilly.
I drew a picture of Tilly yesterday.
Oh, you're puppy. You okay?
I drew a picture of Mango.
Well, you drew a picture of Mango. It turned out to look like Tilly.
I have to look like Tilly.
So,
There.
so it's pretty awesome for your artwork for school yesterday. It looks good. No, you beautiful boy. You want to come with Mama, huh? No, I think he's eyeing up Charlie's breakfast. Multigrain.
He's allowed to eat that though, isn't he?
Oh, he's eyeing up Grace's laptop.
I better go to the laptop.
Say Kiwi. Kiwi. Is that you? Ooh. You're a pretty bird. Is that you? Say hi. Say hi.
You're a pretty birdie.
He hasn't looked at himself for ages.
He's just like, who's that?
Is that you? Are you on camera?
He wants
You're
coffee.
not having my coffee. It's percolated coffee. Don't let your birds drink tea or coffee, guys. It's dangerous to them. Make them sick.
Now he's eating the cereal.
He likes multigrain.
Is he allowed to drink milk?
He doesn't really drink it. He tries to get the breakfast.
Oh yeah, I'm getting old. It's soggy. But
It's soggy.
I'll put that
He
down.
doesn't want it.
I'll put
He
it
doesn't
down.
want it because it's soggy. He doesn't like soggy multigrain.
Should I go and get him a dry piece?
No.
No, he doesn't like soggy multigrain. That is weird for a bird. Like, why does he like the dry multigrain and not the soggy
Because
multigrain?
he's like biscuits, isn't it? Don't bite my phone.
You're not eating fine.
Say don't bite my phone.
You don't want the phone to get broken.
You gonna do it? Hey, dear good boy. Good boy.
What's he doing?
You're copying me with his beak. Hi, dear good boy. Hi, good boy.
He's off the table. He's got hot finger.
He's not, he doesn't want me to do anyway. You good boy. Hey, clever birdie. Hey, clever birdie. Hey, good boy. Hey, good boy. Oh, I think Tilly's going to come and land on my head. Try and get it. So, you do? You do? Hey, dear good boy. You heard a little tap then. Kiwi. I've always got someone that scares her away. Come on in, Tilly.
Is it me? She likes
Come on, come on, Tilly.
I think it's a tapping. Oh, she's pushing. At least she comes lower to us.
She really does just want to join us, but her confidence levels need to be.
She just swoops and then just goes back up. Can you come down, Tilly? What if I put something there that she might like?
No.
Would she like a pen?
No.
Would she like a pencil?
Say, come on in, Tilly.
I think lead is poison for birds.
You do?
Oh, nearly.
It's because she hasn't got anything to land on, I think. She doesn't feel confident landing on flat surfaces. But as soon as she does it, she'll understand that it's okay, so.
What if I just put my hydroplastic there?
No.
Add some more hydroplastic. What if I put something there for her to land on?
You gonna do the same noise? You gonna do the same noise? What are you doing? He did clever birdie.
You just done it.
He just done it.
You're a clever boy, huh?
You go birdie. Huh?
It's like a buddy, like really, in like every single video for ages. She's a bit closer.
That's Mango in Tilly's cage there, guys. I did have someone comment on my video of Mango when we first got him that he was in a small cage. He was only in there for a short period of time as well. Because he had his leg band removed. When they removed it, they cut his foot with a disc cutter, and he had to have his foot all glued back together. We had to wait for that cage to arrive.
And then he was in that cage.
Yeah, and then he got put in that cage there.
Behind me.
Oh, where am I pointing? Oh, the camera's going the wrong way. This one here.
And then,
So it is bigger. But they don't like going in small cages, guys. They do like
big, massive cages.
big cages. These are 6 foot by 5, I think. And then by 4. So they do need big cages. The cockatiels are now in the other black cage. But we're waiting for a white one for them to arrive in Kiwi. So they'll have a big 6 foot white one.
It's hard to see kiwi in the 6 foot.
You're not having it, Kiwi. Do you want some water? Let me get me the water bottle down. But the birds are out all day.
What water?
And you stand up on your chair, it's the silver one on the left. Do you want some water? Huh? You got to pull. Pull! Okay, Kiwi. Some water. Want some water?
You got the sunflower seed.
You got a sunflower seed. So the birds are out quite a lot. We were trying to do it because we were homeschooling to keep the birds in throughout the day, because we did have 2 lots of laptops out and so many devices and paper, and Kiwi would come along and eat their paper, eat their schoolwork. Okay.
He wants to do work, but he wants to eat it.
So we did attempt to keep them in during the day and then let them out at 3 o'clock.
By the time we finish.
You're going to have a bath on me, aren't you? Okay, we're coming. Right, let me put it down here. Come on. On the table, on the chair. I've got to take Charlie to the toilet. So yeah, but that didn't work. So we actually leave them out all through the day. And when he goes near Gracie, she just knows to pop him up on a perch. Or give him some food and some water.
Is it milk?
Yeah, and he'll just sit on the chairs and watch everyone and everything now. Mango will come down and say hello to us and go to the toilet. Mango will come down and say hello to us. Tilly's starting to fly down to us now. She was on the sofa with us the other day, which was brilliant. So her confidence levels when she is out is a lot better. She talks as well now, guys. She talks a lot. But when she lands on the black shelf in the living room, that's the only time she actually talks. Don't know why that is, but yeah. So anyway, guys, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll do another video with you guys later. Training sessions later today. I have got a thing that's coming to hold my phone so I can do training sessions. So I can pop my phone on the table and do some training sessions with you. Because obviously none of you have seen my training sessions yet. So yeah. So I'll see you guys later. Have an awesome day, stay safe, and have fun with your animals. Love you guys, bye.